In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily copy someone's Instagram Reel effect to your Reel. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys! So let's get started, and first off, open up Instagram app, then go into Reels, and all you have to do now is find a Reel that has an effect. You will find the active effect just above the username. So I'm just gonna find an effect on some Reel. So actually the Reel with an effect. I just find one. As you can see, that Reel has 4K quality effect, and then you can tap at that effect and you will be able to use that effect on your own Reels. So if you want to just save that effect, let's say you like it and you want to save it for your future Reels, you can just bookmark it in that way. If you want to create a Reel with that effect right now, you can just hit at use effect, and that will bring you to your camera, and you can start creating your Reel right now with that effect, of course. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.